Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you go over how to drive a Tesla Model Y. We'll start by getting you comfortable with the basics, like how to enter and start your vehicle without a traditional key. Then, we'll explore the intuitive touchscreen, which is your command center for many essential functions. You'll also learn how to easily adjust your steering wheel and side mirrors to ensure a perfect driving position. By the end of this first segment, you'll feel confident taking the wheel. Now that you're settled in, let's get your Model Y moving. We'll cover how to smoothly engage and disengage the drive modes, making your transitions effortless. You'll also understand the unique feel of regenerative braking, which helps recharge your battery as you slow down. Finally, we'll introduce you to the incredible Autopilot features, explaining how to activate them and what to expect for a more relaxed driving experience on the open road. Keeping your Model Y charged and ready is simple. We'll explore the various charging options available, from home charging to the extensive supercharger network. You'll learn how to easily monitor your battery level and estimated range, so you always know how far you can go. Plus, we'll share some valuable tips for efficient driving habits that can significantly extend your vehicle's range, ensuring you get the most out of every charge. Beyond the basics, your Model Y offers some truly innovative features. We'll dive into how to utilize advanced functionalities like Sentry Mode for security and Dog Mode for your furry friends. Understanding the importance of regular software updates is key, as they bring new capabilities and improvements directly to your vehicle. Lastly, we'll touch upon simple, essential maintenance checks to keep your Model Y performing at its best for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.